Hi everyone. If your Instagram app not working or not opening or it show message app keeps stopping or app close automatically, that means app crashing, then how to fix? So let's get started. First of all, you uninstall your recent Instagram application. You can uninstall anyway. After uninstalling, open any browser and search by Instagram older version. Now enter following website. Now from here download Instagram any older version. After downloading, install Instagram. After installing, open apps and log in your account. Guys, hope your problem will be solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.